Hi friends, you have the tutorial number 265. WH questions we have already seen. What, when, where, who, whose, whom, and how, which, and why. Now the question here is that you can combine how with the adjectives and adverbs. For example, here is adjective, 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 adverb, adverb, and adjective. So for example, you can say if you want to know quantity, then you can say question, he wasted a lot of time. He wasted a lot of time. So you want to ask a question, the quantity, the time, you can say how much time did he waste? How much time did he waste? You can say like that. Next is you can see number. He borrowed 10 books from the library. Second, he borrowed 10 books. 10 books. The question would be, how many books did he borrow? How many books did he borrow? Question. Next is how long? It rained for 5 hours. It rained for 5 hours. So you can say, how long did it rain? That is, you can say duration. And next is distance. You can say, they went up to okay, let's say Mumbai. So you can say, how far did they go? How far did they go? How far did they go? And 5, you can say, often. Frequency. Students go to films twice a week. Students go for films thrice a week. Then how often do students go for films? Question. And the next one you hear every day, how old are you? How old is he? How old am I? How old are you? How old is he? How old is she? How old are they? That we do not know. How old are they? Simple. I am simple. That is your, just to say your age. So this is how combines with adjectives and adverbs to form questions from declarative sentences. They have got the appropriate, should have the meaning as a thing. Here it is quantity, how much milk did you buy? How much water did you waste? Listen, how much sugar do you eat? How much sugar do you eat? Like that. Then how many books you bought from the, how many books did you, how much money did you waste? How much sugar did you eat? How much, and so on like that. And then how many books did you buy? How many friends do you have? How many friends do you have? How many years did you work for this? How many years did you work for this, and so on? How long did this program, how long did that program last? How long does this program last? That is present. Then how long did the war last? How long did the 100 years war last? 100 years. You have gone far. How far did he go? How far can you go? How far will she go? How far will he go? How far will they go? How far can they go? This is how often. How often do you go to films? How often do you go to the library? How often do you go to the hospital? How often do you meet your friends? How often do you write letters? Then you have got how old are the exercise. Is that clear? I hope that everything is clear to you. So tomorrow we will have an exercise based on this. Then things will be clearer. So how are you? Fine. Now here we have got another. Speak not in public, gather not in public, wander not in public, entertain not in public to protect our private lives. So how often do you speak in public? No. Now you should say no. How often do you gather in public? No, not even once. How often do you wander in public? No, not even once. And how often do you entertain people in public? No more. And then how can we protect our life? By not doing this. Understand? How can we protect? By not doing these things. I think it's clear to you. Bye. See you again next time. Till then, have a nice time. Enjoy your life. Be academic and also alert. Bye.